And today at the Wild Bird Feeder, we can observe the lesser spotted house sparrow. Watch his magisterialness as he glides through the air. A father of two and a recent divorcee, this sparrow is going through a difficult time. He gets his food where he can and has recently taken on an extra job at Asda. Watch his magisterialness as he glides off to his job at Asda. Here we see Mr. Jackdaw, a serial killer and a rapist. Jackdaw is best avoided. He shows a lack of table manners here as he disgracefully fills himself with sweet chili and grape all over his beak. But watch his magisterialness here as he glides off gracefully through the air. Sweet and innocent to the unknowing eye, the blue tit has a chronic gambling problem. He recently lost his nest in a poker game with a pigeon and has been in free fall ever since. He comes for scraps where he can and hustles here and there. But watch his magisterialness as he glides off through the air.